Hey guys, welcome to the Fitness Entrepreneur Show. Now, today I want to share with you something from inside our training lab, inside Authority Network. Our clients have given me permission to share this, and I really feel that it will benefit the whole fitness market as a whole. Now, long story short, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I'm massive into personal development as well as the mechanics of running a business, the marketing, the sales, and the delivery aspects. But one big thing that really drives growth is having principles to live by. And there's a wide range of challenges that the modern day fitness entrepreneur will face. One, it's time management. Two, it's looking after their own health. Sometimes when it goes to growing a business, you tend to forget about your own training and your own lifestyle, and you end up underslept and overstressed. Three is managing your emotions. Four is leading people. Sometimes you don't know how to do it. Sometimes you're scared to grow. Sometimes you're afraid of growing challenges. There's a ton of stuff that goes down. So what I want to do is I want to share with you 10 what we call power moves, daily power moves that we get all our clients to implement day in, day out when it comes to running their businesses. And these daily power moves are really reverse engineered from a number of key goals. And those key goals are living life to your fullest, protecting your health, driving your business, becoming a better human, leading others, and creating massive personal wealth. So I want to walk through every single daily power move, take them down, and please, if you want access to our daily power moves, please just send me a DM on Instagram, send daily power moves, and I'll get one of the team to send you a checklist of them. And I really appreciate if you could post it, let people know what you're doing, and set yourself a challenge of living these. These need to be done every single day. And like I said, they're reverse engineered on those metrics of health, wealth, happiness, freedom, and everything else. So here goes. First things first, 15-second deep breaths across the day. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds hold, 5 seconds exhale. One big thing that we forget to do as fitness professionals is breathe. Now, there's a ton of different breathing techniques out there, but when you oxygenate your system, you can operate much better. You're thinking sharper, your intelligence is better, you're able to command your clients better, you just feel better. You're able to perform better in the gym, etc. There's a host of benefits to it. So making sure that you've got your breathing right is really important. These 15-second breaths don't need to be done all at once. They can be done in sets of 10 across the day. But the reality is you're just oxygenating. If you're sitting at a laptop hunched over all the time, or you're sitting reading, or you're coaching clients, it's sometimes easy to just rely on shallow breaths, end up faint, end up lethargic. This will keep you charged and on point and ready to do battle. 15 minutes journaling every day, AM and PM. I'm not going to go into questions because, as many of you know, I'm going to be launching the world's first productivity manual for personal trainers and fitness professionals that's going to really dial in your journaling. But when you're journaling AM and PM, you're brain dumping, you're doing gratitude, you're doing reflective questions. How are these challenges serving me? What am I grateful for today? What challenges may I face and how may I overcome them? What potential triggers do I see over the next month? And who do I need to reach out to and get help from? These are important questions you need to be constantly asking yourself, along with affirmations. Number 3 is read one chapter of a book a day. That can be a marketing book, a personal development book, a sales book. We just want to ramp up education and make sure that we're getting high quality, inspiring information into our minds every single day and not stupid stuff like news. Next one's a bit crazy. 100 press-ups and 100 bodyweight squats. Again, they can be done in sets of 10, but safe to say, if you're going to do those every single day, you're going to have a tighter, harder body. Your fitness is going to be up, and you're also going to get the benefits of blood flow, and you're going to get the benefits of breathing. Why am I telling fitness professionals to do this? Because many of them forget to train because they're so busy doing check-ins and other stuff. You can do these, or you can do a 45-minute training session. It's interchangeable, but generally speaking, I do it on top of everything. Number 5 is eat sensibly, eat like an adult, whole, minimally processed food, 80% good quality stuff, 20% junk if you want it. Monitor your calories, protein first, basic common sense around nutrition. Number 6, drink at least 3 liters of water a day so that you're hydrated and you can perform. I'm not going to go into the benefits of water, but again, we sometimes forget. Number 7, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day. Sleep is a prerequisite to high performance. I'm not a huge believer in 5 a.m. club. I think it's fucking nonsense when somebody says hit the snooze button when you've woken up at 5 o'clock and you've only had a couple of hours sleep. Try building a 6-figure or 7-figure business on severe sleep deprivation. It just will not work. It'll be unhealthy. You've got to give yourself permission to get sleep. Don't get me wrong, getting up at 5 or 6 a.m. allows you to get more done. But again, if you're going to bed really late and your sleep quality isn't good, you're going to wake up exhausted. You're going to make mistakes faster. You're going to get into more arguments. You're going to get into more battles, and you're going to create yourself more stress. You try and do a full day of work on 7 to 8 hours of sleep versus 4 to 5 hours of sleep, you'll see the difference. Number 8, speak your truth. Every single day, have an uncomfortable conversation. That is going to allow you to unlock your true potential. It's going to allow you to deal with problems and challenges, and it's going to allow you to build yourself as a leader and be able to communicate. So speak your truth. Speak what's on your mind to the people that are in front of you, the people that you connect with every day. Number 9, prioritize the hard stuff. Do the hardest challenge first in your day. Get on with the hard stuff. Don't do the easy stuff, do the hard stuff. Why? Because when you get the hard stuff out of the way, you create so much more energy, clarity to do the easy stuff, and you get it done even faster. The reality is the hard stuff is what really moves the needle when it comes to money, impact, and freedom in the business. It's the stuff that you put to last. It's the stuff that you procrastinate off. It's the stuff that you say that I should have done this last year. And it's one of those ones where you go to sit down and work at, but then you go and make another coffee, or you go and dip into social media and you don't get stuck into it. When you're focused on prioritizing the hard stuff, that's whenever you grow as a business person. That's whenever you grow as an entrepreneur. That's whenever you grow as a leader. So you've got to dial that in. And number 10 is express gratitude daily. Be grateful for the things in your life, or tell somebody that you love them. When you approach your life with these 10 daily power moves, it really liberates a lot of love. It liberates a lot of energy, a lot of clarity, a lot of traction, a lot of growth and success with money, impact, freedom. And it will, without a shadow of a doubt, help grow you as a person. Simple principles to live by. I don't think they're super hard to stick to, but guys, please get after it. And if you want a copy of this, send me a DM with the words daily power moves, and we'll get you over a PDF, an image, so that you can put on your phone or keep in your photo albums. So yeah, the daily power moves from Authority Network. All our members are doing them. Get after it, guys. See you on the next episode.